Hi guys, this is Kenneth Lelix once again and welcome sa goldminesystem.com. Nandito tayo ngayon sa another GMS training natin or tips. No? Meron lang nag-come up sa isip ko na gusto kong ibigay na tip sa inyo. And this tip is so very important and essential kapag nasa ganito ka na field. Okay, kapag tinutuloy-tuloy mo na yung negosyo. Ikaw ba yung tao na kapag nasabihan ng hindi maganda or discouraging, nakikinig ka ba? So, ito yung topic natin ngayon. Ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo na topic, it's about don't listen to negative people. Or just don't accept negative even thoughts or people behind you or front of you nakikipag-usap sa'yo na negative. Huwag na huwag kang makinig sa taong negative. Mas lalo hindi makakatulong sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-accept ng negative thoughts on your head. Never negative. Yan ang importante mong malaman dapat. So, habang ginagawa mo itong negosyo na to, of course, makakaranas ka ng mga discouragement, rejection, fear, anxiety, any negative obstacles na pwede mong maharap or people around you na magsasabi sa'yo. Ang tip ko lang, wag na wag kang makikinig sa taong negative. Never negative. Why? Unang-una, may sarili kang desisyon. It's okay to know the problem. It's okay to understand the problem. Pero, huwag kang magpapalamon sa problem. Tandaan mo, ang problema hindi nawawala. Ang tanong lang dyan, paano mo iti-take and anong response mo sa problem. Okay? Ito yung message ko sa inyo. Don't focus on the problem. Focus on the solution. So, problema nandiyan na yan eh. Ang tanong lang dyan, paano mo susolusyonan? So, habang ginagawa mo negosyo to, marami ka talagang ma-encounter na negative. Minsan, kahit sarili mo maninegative ka na. Ang key is to surround yourself with positive people. Surround your mind or absorb in your mind every positive thoughts, every positive message, and everything na positibo na makakatulong sa iyo. Tandaan mo palagi, don't focus on the problem. Focus on the solution. So that's our show for today. Hope you're having a great time and subscribe niyo po ako ulit. Salamat sa mga panood ng video ko at continuous na nagla-like nito. And pa-add nyo rin po ako sa Facebook, anytimes_26 at yahoo.com. Like na rin ng page ko, Slimming Diet Capsule and Fat Burner. And as we always say, because we are so motivational and so motivated in our dreams, as we always say, in Good Mind System, training is the key to growth. So maraming salamat ulit. Have a great day. God bless. Bye-bye.